Here's how to convert WebM to AVI. So if you're trying to convert that WebM video to AVI video, whether you're on Windows or Mac, my favorite file converter and the quickest and most efficient one is ConvertSave, because you can literally just drag and drop your files in. You can drag multiple in. You go select your output. In this case, we're going to AVI, and you hit convert, and it saves it right next to wherever that file came from. So the reason this is my favorite is because I actually built this app with my brother. He's a software developer, and I wanted an alternative to all the different random websites that are on Google that you have to upload your files to and then download and organize them. It just was not efficient. So we created this drag and drop file converter for images, video, and audio, and it works on Mac and Windows. We call it ConvertSave. You can find it in the description or go to convertsave.com. And yeah, like I said, it does video. It does video to audio. You can do image conversions. You can even like combine multiple images into a multi-page PDF. There's a lot of different conversions, and we're adding a bunch more features, including just recently we added this advanced tab right here. So you can actually customize your conversions and add even more things to it. You want to crop things, reduce or add frame rate to the video, all that kind of stuff. You can go into the advanced tab. You don't have to know what all these different parameters are. If you do, there's a custom area right here that can take over the primary conversion, and you can also build out your own custom commands. We have this option builder, and we're trying to make it more and more user friendly. But basically, you can select things like resolution or frame rate and just add these things in, and it builds the commands for you. So you don't have to actually know all those advanced commands. We tried to add this thing in here where you can build your own. And then you can actually save that as the default conversion for whatever this conversion type is, if just basically to save you some time. So if you have a default that you prefer for, let's say, WebM to AVI conversions, you can literally just save your default command and then drag, drop, convert, save. And it's going to be super fast, and you can batch do videos and stuff. So pretty awesome. That's ConvertSave. Go check it out. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.